Bir sabah her gün olduğu gibi işine giden bazı insanlar o gün evlerine dönemedi. Louisville'de bir bankada yaşanan olay 5 kişinin hayatını kaybetmesine ve bir polis memurunun da ağır şekilde yaralanmasına yol açmıştı. 10 Nisan 2023 günü Kentucky eyaletinin Louisville kentinde bulunan Old National Bank silahlı bir saldırıya hedef olmuştu. Saldırıyı gerçekleştiren Connor Sturgeon daha önce stajını yaptığı bu şubede çalışan bir personeldi. Connor o sabah evden silahıyla çıkmıştı. Bunu fark eden oda arkadaşı panikleyip Connor'ın annesini aramış ve durumu haber vermişti. Bu haber üzerine annesi 911'i aramış ama ondan önce arayanların olduğunu duyunca geç kaldığını fark etmişti.
911, operator Val, where is your emergency?
Yes, my son might be. He apparently has a gun and he's heading toward the Old National at on Main Street here in Louisville.
Main Street, Old National?
Yes, and this is his mother. I'm so sorry. I'm getting details secondhand. I'm running to it now. Oh my Lord.
Okay. And what exactly is going on with him? What is he saying he's doing?
I don't know. I'm getting this information from his roommate. He apparently left a note. I think he's on, and I think he's beside. He's just not. Yes, hurry! Shut the door, lock the door, and come here. I don't know what to do. I need your help. I think he's never hurt anyone. He's a really good kid. Please don't come up to him.
Okay, you said he was headed to the Old National Bank. Did he say what he was going to do there?
I don't know. I don't know anything. We don't even own guns. I don't know where he would have gotten a gun.
Okay, so where did you get this information from? Who told you what's going on?
His roommate called me. His roommate's very concerned. So this was, I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, what's your son's name?
He's an employee there at
Okay. How old is he? White, black, Hispanic, Asian?
White, about 6'4".
6'4"?
Yes.
Okay. All right, and what was your name, ma'am? What is your name, ma'am? Here's your telephone number. I've got your name and your phone number in here, and I'm going to let the officers know that you believe headed to the Old National Bank on Main Street and having... Okay?
That's correct.
Okay.
And please, he's non-violent.
Mm-hmm.
He's never done anything. Please.
Have your name and number in here, and if officers have additional questions, they'll give you a call back, but I'm going to let them know, okay?
Oh, okay, so what do I do? Just go there?
No, I don't want you to go to the location, okay? No, I don't want you to go to the location, ma'am. Okay?
We're going to the location.
Right, I don't want you to go to the location. We have a situation that's going on down there right now. We've already had calls from other people, and I do not need you to go to the location at this time, okay? It's dangerous there.
You've had calls from other people, so he's already there?
Yes, at Old National Bank on East Main Street we have, and I'm advising you not to go to the location because it is an unsafe situation and officers are already at the location, ma'am, okay?
Okay, thank you.
911, Operator Davis, what is the address of the emergency?
Oh my God, what's the address to Western Point? Oh my God, there's an active shooter there. Oh my God, does anybody know the address to Western Point? Oh my God, I just walked down it. Oh, the
911, Operator Frost, where's your emergency?
Hi, I'm at 333 East Main Street. We have an active shooter.
333 East Main Street?
Yes, Louisville, Kentucky. We have an active shooter.
Okay, yes ma'am, what's your name? Are they inside or outside?
Inside.
What's your phone
First
number?
floor.
Has anybody been shot?
Yes.
How many people?
I don't know. Probably 8 or 9.
8 or 9 people have been shot?
Uh-huh.
Are you with any of them?
Yes, but I'm in a closet hiding.
Just stay on the line with me. How many people are in the room with you?
I don't know. I don't know who's here. I'm in the closet with one person. Yeah, I hear gunshots.
Is that shots fired?
Yes, it is.
Stay quiet. We've got everybody coming, okay?
How long will it be before they get here?
They're already on the way.
I know, but how long? How far away are they?
I'm not sure where they're coming from, but we've got everybody coming.
AR-15 tipi bir silahla saldırıyı gerçekleştiren Connor'ın amacı, silah yasalarının ne kadar gevşek olduğunu göstermekti. Sosyal medya hesaplarında yaptığı paylaşımlar ve ardında bıraktığı notlarda politikacıları eleştirmiş ve Amerika'da yasal olarak ne kadar kolay ateşli silah edinilebileceğini göstermek istediğini vurgulamıştı. Son paylaşımda ise sözleri veya protestoları dinlemiyorlar. Bakalım bunu duyacaklar mı? Demişti. Saldırıya başlamadan önce Instagram hesabından canlı yayın açıp hazırlık yaptığı biliniyor. Hazırlıklarını tamamlayıp karşısına çıkan ilk kişiye ateş açtıktan sonra bir toplantı salonuna yönelip salonda bulunan 13 kişiden 4'ünü yaralayıp 4 kişiyi de öldürmüştü. Amacı bankayı soymak olmayan saldırgan ilk saldırısının ardından polislerin gelmesini beklemişti. Olay yerine saldırıdan yaklaşık 5 dakika sonra gelen polisler kendilerine pusu kurulduğunu bilmeden ilerlemiş ve açık hedef haline gelmişti. Saldırganın ateş açması sonucu olay yerinde bulunan iki polis memurundan biri olan Nicholas Wild kafasından vurulmuş ve ağır yaralanmıştı. Yaklaşık 3 dakika sonra diğer polis memuru saldırganı vurarak etkisiz hale getirmişti.
Once something back around, then we do have shots fired.
Back and we'll make this entry from the east side, not pressing in. Officer. God damn it! The shooter has an angle on that officer. We need to get up there. I don't know where he's at. The glass is blocking him. He's shooting straight through these windows, right towards the officer. We need to be able to plate somehow to be able to get there and pull him down from the stairs.
Is that blue talking?
Yeah, blue talking. God, don't have an angle. I think I got him down. I think he's down. Yank the lifter off now. Yank him down the stairs. I think he's down! Move it. Yeah. Suspect down! Get the officer!
Hey, he's fired from inside here.
Huh?
He was fired from inside there.
I know! He's down! Get the officer!
Olay olayda kafasından vurulan polis memuru Nicholas Wild bugün hala mesleğine dönebilmiş değil. Hayatını kaybeden 5 kişinin ailesi ise hala acılarını unutabilmiş değil. Gerçekler acı olabilir ama onları bilmeden değişim mümkün değildir. Bir sonraki hikayede buluşana dek hoşça kalın.